Taking a look at stock ticker symbol NVAX right now, currently traded at 61 cents. You guys are finally above that 10 and 20 day simple moving average. The first time you've been above it. Yesterday was going to be the first time you guys are above it, and that is no April Fool's joke. That is definitely a good sign here, and you're seeing this one starting to move. In my personal opinion, we're going to be watching for that break. You're going to have a little bit of resistance around that 61, right around where you guys are at right now, give or take. But like I said, the main ones that we're going to be watching for 68.52 on the resistance level, and the big one at 85.16. If you guys break through that 85.16, I think that this one could really start making some moves. Zooming out here a little bit, there's nothing in between here all the way up until around the $1.14 mark. So a break of that 85.16 could really set this one off. But right now you guys are above that 20-day simple moving average, and you're going to also see that volume starting to pick back up here. So the interest is starting to build at 61.41. Again, get through that first level of resistance at 68.52 and follow that one up by 85.16. Now, if you get through this 68.52 mark, I personally believe that you could come up to 85.16 fairly quickly, in my personal opinion. So this is going to be based off this this movement right here. And like you said right here, you might be like, hey, look, it came up to here once already before, but just couldn't quite do it. But now you guys are above that 20-day simple moving average, giving it a little bit more strength underneath there as well. So NVAX, we're going to be watching for that break of that 68.52. You got some support, definitely some support levels under it. 56, 53, and 50 cents is going to be a big level of support down there. Definitely want to see that level hold for sure. Don't want to see it go any lower than around that 50 mark. But in the good point here, like I said, you guys are above the 20-day simple moving average. We're going to be watching for this level to break. Once you do that, I think you can get up to 85.16 fairly quickly. But again, the volume is picking up at 24 million shares, actually almost just about 25 million shares traded today. So that's definitely a good sign as well. NVAX. If you guys follow the stock or any stocks, make sure you stop by and check out investorshangout.com. The links are in the description below. You're going to have access to the company profile, time and sales, historical trades, recent news, filings, financials, and buy rating. All completely free over here on investorshangout.com. So make sure you stop by and check that out. We appreciate it. And we were watching for that break at 85.16.